everyone, welcome to Hannover Messe. This is Miley from BEISIT and now I'm at Hall 27. You can see today there's so many visitors here, exhibitors from over 50 countries. And BEISIT already attended this show for more than 10 times. So today I will let you know about our company and to show with you our booms. Here we are at D84. Follow me. Let me make a brief introduction of our company. BEISIT Electric, located in Hangzhou, China, and we are established in 2009 with more than 550 employees. You can see the picture. Actually, it's our third phase digital factory, and we will put into use at the end of this year. So our main market is in North America, also in Europe and South Korea, and so on whole of the world. So every time we will invite our regular and key customers to our booms to talk face to face. So we sincerely invite you to come. And for more details about our products, let my colleague Jenny to tell you. Hey Jenny, it's your turn.
Hello, I'm Jenny from BEISIT. I'm glad to give you an introduction of BEISIT product range. BEISIT starts from the cable glands. We have rich sales experience of this product. We can provide the industrial series and the EX-Proof series. Our cable glands are certified by the VDE, UL, CE, and the Rose Reach. They can reach the IP68 and IP69K protection degree. Okay. The second part is our electrical connectors. They cover the circular connectors and the heavy-duty connectors, and also the energy storage connectors. You know, the energy storage connectors is used for the battery pack, and the circular connectors version and the heavy-duty connector version, they are widely used for the industrial automation, the robots, the instrument sensors. Okay, let's go to the key role today. They are our fluid connectors. We can provide the plastic connectors and the metallic version. For metallic version, BEISIT can provide the UQD, UQDB, LQC, BMQC series, and also our independently developed series. Maybe you want to know the advantage of our fluid connectors. Let me show you. Our UQD, UQDB for data center series, they are compliant with the OCP standards. That means they can connect with other brands. They are also certified by OCP standards. So they are compatible for other brands. And the second one is that we can provide the fast delivery service. We usually complete the sampling process within 3 days at shortest. And the last one is we have the ability to provide the special customization service. We welcome your OEM requirement. Welcome to our booth. Thank you.